video, we learned the difference between singular and plural. Today, we're going to make some cards of singular and plural. Okay, guys, you are going to need a piece of paper. Then you are going to cut it until you have a square. This is how you can make a square out of a rectangle. Fold it all the way to the top. Then you're going to cut this part here, like this. See? Now, you are going to open your paper and you have a square. We already folded in one way. Now we're going to fold in another way, so then we can have like an X in the middle of the paper. Now you are going to have all the four corners meet into the middle of the paper. So fold one time. Now that you fold the four sides, you are going to turn and fold the four sides again. You have the four corners. You are going to have the meet here in the middle. Now, when you turn back, you're going to see that you can open this part. So you fold in the middle one time, fold another time, you have a small square. Now you are going to turn and press all of them to the middle. Open. Now you can play like a lot of different games using the same base, okay? Today, we're going to complete with singular and plural. So you have to open back again to this point. Now, we're going to draw. For example, on each one of these spaces is going to be a noun, okay? A picture. And when you open, you have the plural for that picture. For example, here I'm going to begin with something easy. So I have the singular, one apple. So on the inside, you have the plural. Have apple. And when I open, I have the plural. Apples, okay? You are going to choose 8 different pictures to draw. On top, you're going to draw the singular, and when you open, you have the plural, okay? Check it out. Apple, apples. Now, Miss Heine is going to make star. Okay, this is how your paper is going to turn out to be. Okay, so there is the singular of the words, and when you open, it's the plural of each one of them, okay? Make sure to make it very colorful and beautiful. And now, you can ask people around in your house if they know the plural of the words. You're going to ask someone to choose a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you ask the plural of one of those words. What's the plural of family? Families, okay? That's it. I hope you liked this game, and you can use it to play a lot of different subjects too. Bye bye. See you in the next video.